In this video, you will see how to fix an air fryer. One of the reasons why an air fryer doesn't work can be that its sensor doesn't work. This air fryer doesn't turn on because of its sensor. So we're going to cancel the sensor, unscrew the top of the air fryer, now with a meter, check the continuity of the sensor wire. So the sensor is not working as it should. So we will just cancel it. The wire on the left is the sensor wire, while the wire on the right is the neutral wire. To cancel the sensor, tape the sensor's wire. Now all you have to do is give a direct from neutral to neutral. And that's it. Now we just have to screw the top back together and see if it works. Now it turns on and works perfectly fine. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, like and subscribe.